In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with WP Engine Affiliate in 2025. If you're looking to leverage affiliate marketing, WP Engine offers a great opportunity to earn commissions while promoting a reputable web hosting platform. Let's walk through the process step by step. First and foremost, you'll need to sign up as an affiliate with WP Engine. Navigate to the WP Engine partner portal at partner.wpengine. This is where you'll get started with your affiliate journey. It's as simple as creating your account, providing the necessary details, and setting up your profile. Once you've completed your registration, you'll have access to your very own affiliate dashboard. Next, you'll want to secure your unique affiliate link. This step is crucial, as this is how WP Engine will track the traffic and conversions that come from your promotional efforts. After logging into your affiliate dashboard, you'll be able to easily copy your unique link. Make sure to save it somewhere accessible, as you'll be using it frequently in your promotions. Now that you have your link, the next step is promotion. This is where you can get creative and really start to drive traffic. Whether it's through a website or blog, YouTube videos, or social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, the possibilities are nearly endless. You can even include your link in email newsletters. By sharing your affiliate link through these channels, you'll increase the likelihood of others clicking through and signing up for WP Engine services. When someone signs up via your link, you earn an affiliate commission, making this a potentially lucrative endeavor if you strategize effectively. However, to truly maximize your earnings, you must track your performance through the affiliate dashboard. This tool will help you analyze which of your efforts are paying off, allowing you to optimize your strategies. One highly effective method to amplify your success is creating tailored content, such as tutorials, guides, or reviews focused on WP Engine. This not only adds value for your audience, but also increases the chances of converting visitors into customers. As you tailor your promotions, consider targeting small business owners, bloggers, and WordPress users who are likely to be in need of hosting solutions. Another powerful strategy is using compelling calls to action in your content. Phrases like "start hosting with WP Engine" can improve click-through rates by nudging your audience towards decision-making. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize WP Engine's affiliate program to generate income. As you progress, remember that consistency and creativity are key. Engage with your audience, refine your strategies, and monitor results to ensure continuous growth and success in your affiliate marketing journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you on your way to becoming a successful WP Engine affiliate.